YouTube. Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to show you guys on how to put this together. All right. So first of all, we're going to put the hose first, and then the canister, and then the handle. All right. So let's go ahead and get it started. So putting this hose, you want to look at this attachment on the behind the canister on the right hand side here. Be sure to look for this thing right here. You're gonna attach it by the next to the handle. See how it's attached in there? If you want to take it out to show it to you, okay? Right here is where you hook up this rectangular shape right there. And then that's it. And then to put the canister in, make sure the front goes in first where this grooves at, okay? And then just push in, push back. And now we're going to put this handle. All you need to do is just insert and push, and then push down. There, here, click. All right. To remove the handle, all you need to do is just press this green button down to release it. Okay, here's with the lock. Now I'm going to show you how to attach this hose. You see the hose? There's two of the groove on the side. Make sure this one is facing downward, okay? And here's a groove. Once you push in there, and then turn it clockwise, and then that's it. And if you need to vacuum the seating, here's some of the attachment that you get attached to it. Be sure to hook this plastic into here. Like that. And you need to remove the hose. As you can see, it says lock right here. To unlock it, all you do is just twist it counterclockwise, and then you can take it out. Okay, I'll take it apart. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to put the cable on the side. Okay, I forgot to show you guys on how to take this one apart and then to clean it. As you see the dot right there. You want to rotate it counterclockwise until you see the opening right here. Okay, and then now you could pop this cover to clean it or change your belt. You could remove the whole thing to do some cleaning. And be sure when you put it back, make sure you align those gear or the sit into its place. Oh, it's gonna go in right. You see this? Make sure you sit into those grooves. Just like that. Okay, and then to put it back, you want to go this there's a clip right here on the front. You clip on that first, and then just close it down, and then turn this clockwise to lock into its place. And to tilt the handle down, when you start vacuum, just put your foot on the left hand side of by the rotor. By the brush rotor. And that's it. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.